Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So this video is especially for the research scholars who are doing their PhD with the UG Senate JRF qualification in the universities or institutes or colleges regarding their scholarship. Really it is a very good news to them. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UG Senate Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UG Senate Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. So here you can see in the NDTV education, here a couple of months back, the research scholars are complained the non-payment of the fellowship. That means the various monthly scholarships have been blocked or not disbursed properly for more than 6 months in different Indian universities, according to a group of research scholars from across the country. So that means from the past 6 months, there is no proper disbursement of the scholarships or regarding that one. The various research scholars are complained about that one. So they have complained about the delay in payment of scholarships and issues pertaining to online-offline application process, and a problem in upgrading junior research fellowships to the senior research fellowships, and a cold response from the officials in delivery of the fellowship, etc., as the educational institutions have been closed since mid-March due to the COVID-19 crisis. So based upon this one, our Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank conducted one high-level meeting, so directs the UGC for timely disbursement of scholarships and fellowships. So you can check down here that conducted the high-level meeting on November 26, 2020, and here they mentioned that during the meeting, the Education Minister directed the University Grants Commission to ensure all scholarships and fellowships are disbursed in time and to start a helpline for it. So up to now, there is a proper, completely dedicated scholarship or the stipend or fellowship helplines is not there. So here our Union Education Minister is suggesting to start the helpline. So it will really helpful to the new research scholars who are going to join or who are going to take the admission, PhD admission in the universities and seeking for the fellowships based upon the national eligibility test or something else test. Okay, it will be really helpful if this helpline is came into the practical existence, and ensure that all the scholarships and fellowships has to be disbursed in time, okay, month by month. Fine. So based upon this one, here the the University Grants Commission released one public notice on 27th November 2020 for making the correction in the bank account details for receiving the fellowship. So for example, if any few candidates are having some problem for getting the fellowships or the scholarships, so please once check your corrections, all these things, okay, whatever the corrections you need to do in the bank account details or something else. So here these are the corrections. Okay, keeping in view the interest of students, it has been decided to give the last opportunity to the students who have not received their scholarship due to the following reasons. If the name mismatch is there, bank account is not Aadhaar verified or linked, bank account number is not correct, IFSC code is not correct, and bank account is in other's name, bank account is not operational, any other reason not mentioned above. So whatever the problems you are having, so please try to rectify all these problems, and here the UGC is giving one last opportunity to the students to rectify their problems or whatever the barriers are there to get the scholarships from the University Grants Commissions. And here therefore the students whose payment has failed are advised to send their correct bank details in prescribed format, and after verification of the same at the institute level, a scanned copy of the same may be forwarded by the institute nodal officer through email to this one. A scanned copy of bank passbook may also be attached. The last date for receiving the application is 10th December 2020. So please share this information in your circle who are suffering for not getting the scholarship from the University Grants Commissions due to so and so reasons. Okay, this will be the last opportunity for correction of bank account details. Okay, so please share this information, guys, as early as possible, and let the students got corrected whatever the mistakes are there on or before the 10th December 2020. Fine. So it is a update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. Anyhow, it is a very good news to the research scholars if the helpline is came into existence, that you can rectify your problems early by simply calling to them. And if the timely disbursal of a scholarship or fellowship is happening, then your research work also will go in a very smooth way. Fine. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so So it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.